Hello, my friends. I'm Lisa Lee. I work for Shenzhen Hetai Technology. We are located in Shenzhen City, China. And today I'm going to introduce you our 3D printer for dental. This one is a desktop printer. It called C190. And this one could print dental models. I'm showing you how to use our printer. Here is the button, and then we're going to create a button to run the machine. Here is the operating system. Here. After you design your model file, you will save your model file, the file in the USB, and put the file in the machine. Then you can print the models in the printer. Here is the operating windows. It is set the parameter here and choose the language you want. English version, Chinese version or traditional Chinese, and Korea. Now we set Chinese version. You can choose English version. This machine is C190, and how long we have used this machine? Here is 21 hours. So after you set the type and the lay height, you say the data here and click this button. Start to print, then it will print. The printing platform is here. Before printing, we are going to put the resin material in the resin vent. Here is the resin. You can see the resin here. After we print start to print, here we are going to print the models here. After we start to print, we'll close the windows. So this is my introduction of our dental printer today. If you want to know more about our printer, welcome to contact me for more details. Also, if you want to know the price, it's okay. Just contact me for the price and for more details. Thank you.